This gentle seated yoga flow is designed to stretch and release your entire body while staying grounded. It's perfect for any time of day to gently stretch the spine, the hips, the hamstrings, shoulders, and neck. This calming practice will create a new restored balance, releasing any tension and leaving you feel refreshed and relaxed. We'll begin in a comfortable seated position, resting your hands on your knees or your thighs, palms facing up to receive. Close down your eyes. Take a deep inhale through the nose and a slow exhale out of the mouth. Do this a couple more times at your own pace, inhaling deeply and exhaling completely. Set an intention for your practice today. What is it that you desire to receive? Create that intention now. On the next inhale, bring the fingertips to the earth and extend them wide and high up to the sky. Exhale the fingertips back down to the earth. Do this a couple more times at your own pace, allowing the breath to lift you, releasing on the exhale. On the next inhale, as you bring the fingertips high up to the sky, place your left hand to the mat and inhale your right arm up and over, stretching through the side body, keeping both sit bones grounded as you breathe into the ribs. Long, deep breathing. Stay centered and relaxed. Inhale the arms back up. Exhale over to the other side. Inhale back to center. And exhale to the first side. Left hand down, right arm up and over. Inhale back to center. Exhale to the opposite side. Inhale back to center. And as you exhale, bring the right hand on your knee and your left hand behind you. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale to gently twist and go deeper. Stay centered, relaxed with the breath, and then inhale back to center and exhale over to the opposite side. Stay focused on that intention. Inhale to center. Exhale to the first side again. Inhale to center. Exhale to the opposite side. Inhale to center. Exhale the fingertips down to the earth, very gently, mindfully. Pausing there a moment, staying focused on your intention. Moving into extended legs for a seated forward fold. Extend your legs out in front of you. Flex the toes, inhale the arms high up to the sky. Exhale, fold from your hips. Relax your shoulders. Relax the breath. Release into the pose, staying focused on your intention. Inhale the fingertips back up high to the sky. Exhale, arms down at your sides. Gently move into tabletop or seated cat-cow, whichever serves you today. I'm choosing seated cat-cow. Listen to your body intuition as you inhale forward, exhale back. Make this a mindful movement. Staying focused on your intention, allowing the breath to guide you through the movement, whether you're in tabletop or seated cat-cow. Inhale to center, extending the legs out into a V. Open your legs, inhale the arms up. Exhale, gently fold forward, resting your hands out in front of you. Long, deep breathing, relaxing into the breath, and staying focused on your intention. On the next inhale, lift the hands high up to the sky. And turn towards your right leg, exhaling, folding over the right leg. Releasing down, enjoying this full stretch, breathing into any tension and tightness. Releasing and letting go what physically, mentally, and emotionally no longer serves you. On the next inhale, lift the arms straight up to the sky. And as you exhale, turn towards the left leg, folding over the left leg, releasing into the posture, releasing into the fold, using the breath, the prana, to let go of any tension and tightness. Long, deep breathing, staying focused on that intention you set at the beginning of practice. Inhale, lifting the hands high up to the sky again. And exhale, fold forward. Allow the hands to gently rest on the earth beneath you, tucking the chin into the chest, releasing the neck and the shoulders, letting go of any tension and tightness. Use the breath to go deeper. If the mind becomes busy or distracted, stay focused on your intention. And then gently walk the hands back, rolling up one vertebrae at a time to a straight spine. Extend the legs out in front of you, shake them out. Make any micro movements that serve you. And then come into an upright seated position, sitting tall. As we release tension and tightness in the neck and the shoulders, bow the neck forward and the head. Bring it to one side. And then inhale the head forward again, releasing the neck. And exhaling deeply. And then inhale to the opposite side, stretching into the neck and the shoulders. Inhale back to center. Inhale to the first side again. Use the breath to release the tension and the tightness, tightness. Exhale to center. Inhale to the opposite side. Go deep into the breath. Inhale back to center. Lifting the head, bringing it straight in alignment with the spine. Gently inhale the shoulders up to the ears. Exhale down. You can move quickly or slowly, squeezing the shoulders as they come up, and exhaling, releasing, letting go of that tension and tightness in the neck and the shoulders. Moving very mindfully, purposefully, and deeply to release. On the next inhale, squeeze the shoulders up. With a deep, deep inhale, squeeze the shoulders as you hold the breath. When you're ready, exhale, drop the shoulders down. Resting the palms facing up on your knees, your thighs, or in your lap. Relax into the breath, staying focused on the intention that you set at the beginning of practice. Connect the mind to the body, to the spirit. Embody that intention that you set and just sit and be still. Inhaling the hands together in prayer pose in front of the heart. Press the thumbs into the heart center. Bowing your head towards your heart, honoring yourself for taking the time to practice today. Trusting that you're being guided every day, each moment, in the divine direction to receive the gift of the intention that you set at the beginning of practice. Namaste.